Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the voice recorder inside Toca Boca. Tap the mic icon and select the character or scene you want to speak for. Make sure the app has microphone permission in your device settings and lower or mute other app sounds so the recording is clean. Once done, adjust the character pose and background. This shapes mood and timing. Then press the red record button when you're ready to speak. Speak clearly and keep lines short for easier edits later. Now that you've started, use the record control to perform your lines, tap pause to take a breath or reposition the character, and resume when ready. After recording, use the trim tool to cut silence, coughs, or background noise at start and end. This keeps dialogue tight. If you need alternate takes, record additional clips and save each separately so you can compare. Make sure to name or note the best take, because once layered, it's easier to choose than to recreate. Finish by saving the clip and assigning it to the right character or prop, then preview the scene in playback to confirm timing and lip sync. If the line feels off, nudge the clip on the timeline or trim again for better alignment, and then repreview. When satisfied, export or share your scene. If you encounter muffled audio or no input, check microphone permission, restart the app, or re-record in a quieter space. Those steps fix most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.